I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. I'd like to show you how to make our Take It Make It craft kit lava bead bracelets. These kits are intended for teens and adults and are available in our branches while supplies last. In your kit, you are going to find about 22 of these lava beads. They're the little black beads. You're also going to find an accent bead and a string that's about 12 inches long and your instructions. And on the instructions, you're going to find a paper clip. With the paper clip, that's how you're going to start it. You're going to put it on the end of one end of the string. You're going to fold it over and put the paper clip on. That will stop the beads from falling off the end when you start putting them on. And then you're going to take about half of the beads, so 11 of the lava beads, and you're going to string them onto the string here that you have. When you have half of them on, you'll then take your accent bead and put it on. That way it'll be in the middle of your bracelet. And then you will continue with the rest of the lava beads. I did notice that the more beads I strung on the string, the end would get frayed, so I would snip off the end every so often, just a tiny bit, just to help the beads go onto the cord easier. When you get all of it done, when you have all of your beads on the string, then you're going to take the paper clip off and you will just tie this string together and tie it nice and tight there. Pull the knot tight. I have made one and I've been wearing it for about 3 weeks and I've had no issues with the string coming undone at all, the knot, but you could add a dot of glue or super glue on it just to help it stay stronger. And then I just trim off the edges and then there you have your bracelet. These lava beads are porous, so they're a good place to put essential oils if you like essential oils, so that you have a nice scent with you. There are more fun things going on at our library coming up this fall, so please watch MADL.org for our calendar there, and YouTube and our Facebook page. Also, we'll be having a newsletter coming up very soon, so watch for that too.